What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Barryman17 coming at y'all with a quick little video today, man. I'm saying quick. It might be long though. Goddamn. It might be long though. But hey, you see the title? Dodge Charger RT. Should you still buy it in 2025? Let's get into it, man. So I mean, really, hey, right off the bat, should you still buy a Dodge Charger RT, bro? I don't see why not, man. I do not see why not. And during this video here, I'm not gonna be driving crazy, nothing like that. I'm not gonna be doing no excessive speeding. I might get up there a little bit, but I don't plan on doing no excessive speeding. But yeah, man. Should you buy the RT in 2025, bro? I'm gonna go ahead and say yeah. Unless, you know, unless you feel, or I mean, unless you got like the funds to go SCAT pack, Hellcat, something like that. I mean, honestly, bro, you can't go wrong buying a Dodge Charger. So even if you know you looking to see, should you buy like a GT, a V6, SXT, whatever, you'll be fine buying one of those. But this for my V8 boys. So if you go in the V8 route, the Dodge Charger RT, bro, ain't nothing wrong with it. Plenty of features, plenty of everything that you need to come along with the car. Gas, I mean, is what you already know it is to be. It's a V8, bro. So obviously it's gonna use a higher grade of gas. Obviously it's going to use a little bit more gas. So I mean, with that being said, you got to factor that in. If you want to ride Hellcat, something like that, you're gonna be spending even more on gas, bro. As simple as that. But the reasons why I love this car, bro, it's big as fuck. Like, I'm a big dude, so you know, for me, it's good to have like a big vehicle. I take up a lot of room. I'm tall. I can stretch my legs out, you know. I ain't got to be worried about being cramped up in this mug, you know. It's a good-ass car. And, I mean, it's a V8, so you already know the power's coming along with it. I will say, though, you do have to watch out for motherfuckers like this right here, riding their bikes and shit. Like, you got no business being on your bike on this road, bro. You don't. I'm sorry. Not sorry, but, man, yeah. Like, you know. It's a good ass car, bro. So I mean, if you in the market, you've been doing your research. If you good at doing research, you know, stuff like that, you good. If you're not, I mean, that's a whole nother different topic. But you really can't go wrong with this mug here, man. If you've been watching my videos, you already know, like, we got the 5% tints. It's not all the way around. I don't have my I'm not tinted like on the windshield. My windshield is not tinted. I would not get my windshield tinted, bro. I don't know why people do that. It's not something I would do, but I know people do it. And you gotta do what you gotta do. I ain't doing that though. But yeah. It's plenty loud, bro. Plenty loud. I mean, I cracked the windows a little bit. Maybe y'all be able to hear it a little bit better. Maybe not, but the sound on the V8, bro, the V8 Dodge Charger RT is pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty damn crazy. And again, I mean, it's a great vehicle, bro. Like, I don't know what people be looking for in daily drivers, but I know what I'll be looking for in a daily driver, and this is pretty much about it. You know, space, it got the power, it got the looks, all the bells and whistles pretty much. I mean, there really ain't no feature that I'm lacking on this car that, you know, that I wish I had. I'm pretty happy with all the features that come along with the car. Very happy with the purchase. If y'all want to know how much I paid for it, got it for about 35 out the door. 50K miles on it, roughly. Seemed like a good deal to me. I mean, I got a job, multiple streams of income, so it's cool with me. But I mean, I guess you could say the one thing is that they do say, like, oh, if you go RT or whatever, like, they say at some point you will want to switch that up and either go SCAT pack or Hellcat. But I mean, I've been telling myself for the longest that, you know, I don't want to go SCAT pack. Because I mean, the SCAT pack is too similar to the RT to me. But I mean, I will go Hellcat. And I mean, really, as soon as my channel get monetized, I'll probably will go Hellcat. Because I mean, I got the credit. The credit is not the issue. Money is really not the issue either. But I mean, I'm not doing that if I'm not gonna be making money off the car. Like I don't do this YouTube stuff for money. But if I'm gonna be spending money, like to bring y'all YouTube content, stuff like that, I'm gonna need some bucks. And I mean, I'm at 1.2 thousand subs, so it's like, yeah, I'm close. I mean, I have enough subs to be monetized, but I need a little bit more watch hours, so we're gonna keep working towards that. And I mean, whenever we get that, you know, obviously you'll see it on the channel. And I mean, you also gonna see that goddamn Hellcat too. Like, I seen a Hellcat in my area, decent price, you know, not a horrible price, but it was a 2017. But I mean, it looked good though. And it only had like, I think it had 2 owners. Which, I mean, if you know me, you've been watching my channel, whenever you're looking to buy a Dodge Charger, I would recommend, you know, a car that has 1 owner. But not all cars, I mean, not all cars have 1 owner. Like this car here, this is a good car. I could sell this car right now, but it's gonna have 2 owners on it. And because of that, you know, somebody gonna want a deal. But I hate to break it to you, my brother, you're not getting a deal unless I'm getting a deal. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me let these windows back up. See how it handled this curve. Speed boost. It's a good car, bro. It's a great car. It look good, drive good, feel good. The steering wheel feel good. That's my crib right there. I'm just going on a little detour right now. These also my cribs over here. This my goddamn estate over here. You know what I'm saying? Not playing. But I mean, but that's the goal though. One day have something extravagant like that. When you're looking at them big houses, man, just know that them folks, they making that big money. Big money. Big money. Hey. Y'all want nice things in life, but I mean, I don't know. They got that big money coming in. They gotta be making at least 10 bands a month, bro. Easily 6 figures, you know. They got that money on. What you know about that money on? Man, they got us on the back road and shit. I don't know what the fuck, like, but I swear, people be, I don't know, they be trying to see if you gonna let them have it or not, man. And y'all watch the news, motherfuckers be out here letting motherfuckers have it. What's that? What's have it? Look, go watch the news. But nah, man. Coming back from the baseball game, we finally got us a dub today. We tied game 1 yesterday, lost game 2, came back game 3 today, got a dub, walk-off dub. Huge day from the plate from my guy. 3 for 3, fucking 3 doubles. Could have been 3 for 3 or 3 bombs, but his bat's like chipped and shit. But I mean, and he stole third base twice. Like, dog got there balling. And he played a little bit of center field too with a first baseman, which, if you know baseball, that shit is illegal. You cannot do that. But he did, so I mean, shit. Ain't nobody say nothing. But yeah, man, I'm just out here, man. I'm not terrorizing the road, you know. Nothing like that. But we out here. My shit better be recording too. If it ain't, I'm gonna be pissed. Should be. Oh, I'm gonna check this real quick. Alright, it said low battery. Damn it. Like, this shit really, like, I mean, you got to be careful when you're doing this. I'm gonna probably leave that in the video, but that's part of, alright, I ain't leaving that in the video, but that's part of it, man. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna have to for sure edit that out, but nah. Like, I know my battery low. I mean, it's hot outside. Like, my shit about to die, but you know, really turn my brightness down. Fuck you talking about? But nah, I mean, damn, if we gonna be sitting in this traffic, bro, sitting in this light, bro, like, damn, man. These motherfuckers been out here bullshitting all fucking day, man. You ain't gotta let me in if you don't want to, but I will be slipping in right now. I'll stick that nose out. But nah, this ain't no damn content for y'all. Might be voice crack, but nah, that's pretty much the end of the video. It's a good ass car. If you want more, you know where to find it. I'll see you on the next one. I'm gone.